All right, so the last video, this problem conversation got cut off. If you go ahead and again use your unit circle to plot the points for the sine graph, and then turn the video back on when you are ready to continue. So for the sine graph, these are our points, again, at 0 radians. The value of y is 0, and then pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, that's where we're going to be at our highest, which is 1. And then at pi, which is 180 degrees, we're back to 0, and then 270, we're down, or 3 pi over 2, we're down to -1, and then we return back to 0 again. So like the cosine graph, if I would take this graph right here and put on a piece of pad paper and sketch this graph or trace it. Basically, I would slide to the right, and so when this point here is 2 pi, this would be the graph that would repeat again, and it will continue to repeat every 2 pi. And then, so from 2 pi to 4 pi, this is the graph. From 4 pi to 6 pi, this again would be the graph. So this is a periodic function. Another example of periodic function. This is the shape of the sine function. So on Tuesday of next week, we'll continue our conversations on periodic functions. This particular lesson is our group of lessons in Unit 5, as I mentioned earlier this week, is a pretty short lesson, or a group of lessons, and so we probably will be finishing up these lessons sometime at the end of next week or the beginning of the following week. So do expect a test probably sometime in about 2 weeks. And then our next unit, which is 6, that unit will take quite a bit of time. Will probably take us into December. So if you have any questions, please bring those questions back on Tuesday of next week.